These are the top 3 toughest rebuilds in MLB The Show 25. Number 3, the Los Angeles Angels. You have one objective: get Mike Trout a World Series ring before his retirement. A payroll full of overpaid veterans will be your handicap. Number 2, the Colorado Rockies. Nolan Gorman with an aging Chris Bryant, middle to low tier minor league prospects, will make this rebuild difficult. Number 1, the Chicago White Sox. This team set a MLB record for losses in 2024. Build around Robert or completely burn it down and start over. Good luck.